Moving across to some more breaking news that's coming in on the broadcast. We learned that there has been bomb threat that has been issued to Chennai Meteorological Center, GST office and customs office. Bomb experts are now inspecting the locations. Remains to be seen on whether it was a hoax and wanted to create panic in the area, or was it some truth to the bomb threat that has been issued to Chennai Meteorological Center. We learned that there are 3 places in Chennai that have received a bomb threat. Number 1 is the Meteorological Center. Number 2 is the GST Council Center and the Customs Office. These 3 offices in Chennai have received a bomb threat hoax. We learned that the bomb disposal squad is at these locations to figure out on what was the IP address of these bomb threats and who is responsible behind these hoax calls. Sharda is joining us live on the broadcast. Sharda, please take us through more details regarding the bomb threat calls that has been given to 3 offices in Chennai. Sharda, if you can hear me, please share more details about the bomb threat calls that 3 offices in Chennai have received.
Yes, a few offices, especially the Meteorological Center, the GST Council and other government offices have received a bomb threat today morning through mail, and this comes after last week the Madras High Court, the Customs Office and Chennai Harbour received a similar mail. Earlier, the Chennai High Court premises was thoroughly checked, and week before that the Secretariat where the Chief Minister's office is situated, a similar mail was found. However, the police is still not been able to find, the cybercrime is still not able to find who has been sending these mails. While the last 2 mails have been not true and it was confirmed to be hoax, today it's not yet sure because the checking by the bomb squad is still underway in these government offices, and it looks like it will also be a hoax because most of the premises has been thoroughly checked and the bomb squad is giving clearance to these government offices at the moment. However, the final checkup is yet to be done, and official press statement by the bomb squad would be released soon.
Right. Thank you very much, Sharda, for getting us those details. Cutting across straight away to the Prime Minister's roadshow in Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. All right, so these are the live visuals.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश के जो लोग हैं हाथों में तिरंगा लेकर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत कर रहे हैं। पीएम ने कहा कि हम नॉर्थ ईस्ट के राज्यों को अष्टलक्ष्मी के रूप में पूजते हैं, और ये भी कहा कि हमने ये तय किया है कि सरकार दिल्ली में बैठकर नहीं बल्कि आपके पास बैठकर चलाई जाएगी। आपके करीब हम दिल्ली को ले आएंगे।